Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the bookmark bar in Google Chrome to easily manage your favorite websites. Let's get started. The bookmark bar, also known as the Bookmarks toolbar, is where your saved websites are displayed for quicker access. It appears right below the address bar and can be toggled on or off as you prefer. To show or hide the bookmark bar, simply press Ctrl-Shift-B on Windows or CMD-Shift-B on Mac. If you prefer using your mouse, here's how. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, go to Bookmark Bar and Lists, then choose Show or Hide Bookmarks Bar. To add a website to the bookmark bar, just open the website, then click the star icon on the right side of the address bar. Choose Bookmark Bar as the location and click Done. After saving multiple pages, you can drag and drop items on the bookmark bar to arrange them as you like. You can also right-click on the bookmark bar to create folders and organize your bookmarks by dragging them into the folders for easier management. To delete a bookmark from the bookmark bar, simply right-click on the item and select Delete. The bookmark will be removed instantly. And that's it. I've shown you how to use the bookmark bar in Google Chrome, including how to show or hide it, add bookmarks, organize them, and delete them. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. See you next time.